This is the previous Lazy Boy World headquarters, or what's left of it. They got half of it bulldozed already. Right here, right by that tree you see dead center, it used to say Lazy Boy World headquarters right on the building. They built the new headquarters a few years back and it's over on the other side. But this is an icon right here. And it's mostly gone, halfway down. Damn shame. But the building couldn't be repurposed because of asbestos, and it was in a lot of disrepair. Yep. There's the lobby that they just destroyed.